In this tutorial, we are building a journey to schedule a Zoom meeting when new Instagram media is posted. So let's start. Select Instagram as trigger. Next, choose New Media as trigger event. Select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Now in steps, we will add a new meeting via Zoom. Select Zoom. Choose Create Meeting as action. Again, select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Next, enter meeting type. Enter email and topic using drag and drop. We are ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. Now let's check the output. Go to Instagram, publish the post. After uploading the image, refresh the page. Then go to our journey to check the execution. Yes, it is executed successfully. Go to Zoom and click on Meetings. You can see a new meeting has been successfully scheduled. So in this way, we can create an automation journey to add a new meeting in Zoom when new media is published on Instagram. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.